Taro Love guys, good morning. Welcome back to the channel. Hope everyone is doing well. It is around 4 a.m. here in Samoa, Sunday morning. Getting ready to do our Sunday umu. As you can see, Fui is joining us today. My young daughter is joining us to see what it's like to do the umu early Sunday morning. So me and Siave did a lot of prep work yesterday so that we can get started early and hopefully try to finish the umu before 7:30. Siave is now part of the they're during the Whamankunga for the church, so he has to be at church early now, so hence why we had to start the umu early. So back to the umu. Hope everyone is doing well so far. Been a bit slack on the uploads, only because it's still on the festive season, slowly fading out from it, so hopefully our content is about to ramp up soon. So yeah, I'm going to get started on the taro and ulu. I was going to get started on the coconuts. Then after that, pusalo magako. So hope you guys enjoy the content today. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, guys. Share our channel. And we'll definitely catch you soon. Alright, so it's coming up to 5 a.m. in the morning. I'm done with the taros and the ulu. We're gonna get cracking on the umusolela pusa. See, I was almost done with the coconut, so I think it works perfect. So as you guys remember, the layout of the umukuka has changed a bit. In our previous episode I showed you, so this used to be where we did the umu, but now it's all cemented and we shifted the umu to that side there. So just going to switch on the light from that end so it can shine towards that side, and then we'll push it. Máximo.
Salió el sol y yo quiero comer tu boca de desayuno. Un wake and bake y un mañanero pa' que me eleve como el humo. Chori, qué bien te queda ese bikini, baby. Contigo yo me voy sin mini. Ay, 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 baby, así es como se hace. Vamos a hacer que esto pase. Ay, 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 baby, así es como me gusta. Te voy a dar lo que tú buscas. ¿Cómo fue? Tú me activas como el café. A ese booty yo le tengo fe. Te llevo pa' Los Roques, Cancún, Perry, San Andrés. Qué bien se ve.
Alright, fam, so, oh jeez. Alright, I've got food in Mukama. I've still got a few more dishes to do, but we'll see if we can crack it out now before I head to church, or we can do it after church. Or at least try to do it halfway and then do the next half when I get back. But as you saw, we did the crab there. I was gonna do a fight I did a fight but it turned out, if you guys probably should have added a bit of water just so that it doesn't burn quick, but I mean, you know, it's still edible, nothing wrong with it, should be good.
Vamos a hacer que esto pase. Ay, 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 baby, así es como me gusta. Te voy a dar lo que.
Alright, fam, I'm in the kitchen at the moment. A bit of panic because I need to get to church in the next hour. So I'll show you what we need to do. First buah fiakau. This is a kuala from a big buah that Uncle got from the village, so I might just cow it. We've already removed most of the fat which we made lard and stored it. I've got chicken in here that's marinated, already cut up. Might roast that. We've got flounders that I need to fry, which is already inside the batter. Just leaving it there because I don't want to take it out. So I think I'll put on the chicken and the pork and the buah. Leave it at low temperature, and then which will probably be 2 hours. But I'll get Siave to come check in intermittently. So that sounds good, right? So we'll see how that goes. Also, for the past hour, I've been reheating in ulu, so nothing goes to waste. I'm just gonna put that away, clean this up, then get this one ready for the faspoa. As I've already got another baking tray ready for the chicken, so we'll do that now, and then I'll get back to you. Right, so the trays are now ready. We're gonna pop in the pork and the chicken, and then we'll head it off to put it in the oven. Ave is off to church now. He has to head there early because so his first Sunday kufa fa mankunga. Go yo, wait. I don't. You say vai. Wow. Pau aso. Oko lokole long for me. Wait. Alright, so we've got the chicken loaded and the pork in there. I think this was a good move to get the pork in early, just so that by the time we eat it, most of the fat has rendered off and it's nice and brown. So I think that's about it. I'm gonna go get ready for church. As soon as we finish church, we'll check up on the chicken and the pork, fry the sausages, fry the fish. Boom. Oh my God. See you guys soon.
Talo forever, guys. This is Samoa Farm on YouTube. Just wanted to come up here and give a big shout out to the team at Digital DNA, Fuimono and Gunit, we have been working alongside the past year now in creating our website. Just wanted to make a quick video. You know, being a farmer, it is one of my dreams. And as every entrepreneur, to diversify. And part of this diversification was I saw that I needed to break out into the online digital space. Given the current infrastructure, e-commerce infrastructure in Samoa, it is very difficult to enter that international and digital space. But with the help of Digital DNA from Fuimono and Gunit and the team there, I was able to set up our SamoanFarmer.com, which has our website, which has our Crave Growth merch. So we are now consistently earning on that website because of the work from Digital DNA. So I want to give a big shout out to the team, Fuimono, Gunita and the team. And if you're looking to build a website from anywhere in the Pacific, give Digital DNA an email or give them a message and they'll definitely help you out. A big thanks and a big whamalo again to Digital DNA, Fuimono and the team for a great service for our people.
Alright fam, we're back at home. We've got about an hour until lunchtime, and I need to quickly come back, check the chicken, check the pork, fry the fish and fry the sausages. So especially the pork and the chicken. So now that we're back, I'm gonna show, let's just double check. All right, switch on that light. Oh, that's all I wanted to eat. I want to move. So then I'm gonna take off the foil for the chicken. so that we can start browning it in this next hour. Oh, look at that. That's just beautiful. The chicken is cooked, to be honest. What's left is need to brown it off. I'm going to pour out that oil from the pork and then give it this next hour to brown off. So yeah, give me a few minutes. But I was just cracking up because and this is me hoping nothing catches on fire. Jesus, take the wheel, take it from my hand. Yeah, so I'm just glad Lily okay me. But I need to start frying up some stuff. Alright fam, so just finished taking off the stuff for the chicken. Chicken is now back in, ready to be browned. Pork is going good. I had one of the greatest ideas just now, and that is to reuse the fat from the pork to fry the fish. So pork lard, we're gonna use that to fry the fish. Recycle, reuse, nothing goes to waste. Look at the amount of oil we got from there. Beautiful. And the best bit about it, it doesn't have to get up to temperature because it's already hot. So it's just a small amount of gas, just to get it up to, just to maintain the heat, and then we'll throw in the fish. But everything's going well. So Jesus did take the wheel. Man, I told you guys, don't worry. Let's go. Alright, just took out the chicken. It is very nice and browned now. Only thing left is the fish. Got the second batch, so I'm actually frying up 4 flounders, and that's on top of the fish that we did in the omu. So 2 here. Then after that, chicken is done. Pork is, I've placed the pork just 2 levels up, so we can brown it off a bit and extract more of the fat out before we eat it. Pork is now also done. Just quickly show you. Switch on the flash for that. Bam. Look how beautiful that is. So pork done, chicken done, fish is almost done. Who can? Only Samoan farmer can. So just the sausages left. Pretty tired, but yeah. It's getting pretty dangerous at the moment because the oil is popping everywhere. Alright fam, so we finally finished our cooking for today. I hope you guys have enjoyed the content. I am going to show you the results, and yeah, I'm hungry, but I'm also pretty tired. So we'll show you the results now. Alright, let's zoom out a bit. We've got the sausages, the pork, my wife made cucumber salad, the flounder, chicken, the pa'a, and then our luau, breadfruit, and taro. So yeah guys, look at that plate. I think that's a good plate. And it's a lot more than I expected this Sunday, but nevertheless, food is food, and we are grateful today. We've got a church local kufa akasia lengu today at 4 p.m. At the local ikingakai, so I have to sleep early.
hopefully I can get the episode out tonight. So if you do see it tonight, that means I was able to publish it. But if you see it tomorrow, which is Monday, then it means I didn't have time because I fell asleep and I had to go attend the local whakasengu. But other than that, guys, I really want to say thank you for joining our content, joining in our channel every Sunday cooking episode we do. This year is going to be a lot of good episodes, so I'm going to do my best to push out content consistently again. It's just been a lot hectic at work and also on the farm and then the family, so hopefully I can get everything done, but I owe it to you guys for the support, so I really appreciate it, all of us here in Samoa. Do join us next week. If you enjoyed the content today, be sure to like, comment, subscribe, share our channel, guys. But other than that, have a great week. We'll definitely catch you guys on our next episode. But until then, God bless, take care, stay safe. See you guys soon.